Hi everyone, it's Cecilia from Lordhair and I'm here to introduce one of our newest products. Here I have SuperSkin Remy. So let's talk about the name first. We have SuperSkin Remy, right? Remy stands for Remy hair. So instead of using normal human hair for this hair system, we use Remy hair. What's the difference? Basically, Remy hair are higher quality hair. So this hair system is especially recommended to those people who are looking for hair that is healthier, that is higher quality. Now I'll show you two types of hair. You can't see much of a difference, but this is normal human hair and this is Remy hair. You see the difference from from what you see is not that much, but when you feel them with your hands, actually this feels like silk, really like silk, and it's softer. And so yeah, basically we recommend this hair for everyone who wants a higher quality hair system. Then let's talk about the base, because we said it's SuperSkin Remy, right? So we have for the base we use this material that is skin. Probably you already know it, but anyways, it's 0.08 millimeters thick PU all around, which is super easy to attach to your scalp and super easy to clean. What's more, it's invisible, completely invisible, because it's a scalp-like base material. So now I'll make you see the front hairline, because it's, I mean, what we are all looking for, right? So here in the front, as you can see, is completely undetectable. Sorry, completely undetectable, because we use this V-looped knot in the front to make it, as I said, invisible. While in the back and all around the hair system, we use another technique to make it more durable. That is, I'll make you see that it's single split knots, so stronger but still undetectable. I will tell you something more about this product. So it is available in different colors. So it comes, you can choose from 1A, 1B, 2, 3, 4 ash, 5, 6, 7 ash, 18 and 22 color. And the hair density is medium light, which is the most common for men. And the base size is 10 by 8 inches, and which is the standard base size. But if you want, we can cut it for you if you ask it when you order it. And the hair length is 5 inches. This is all for now from Lordhair. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked this product, and if you liked it very much, you can go on our website. Our website is www.lordhair.com. If you need any further information about this product or about any other products, you can contact our customer service by emailing support@lordhair.com. I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Lordhair, for a better you.